Look at all these scratches on this travertine. Here's a secret how to turn them into this without using a sander or a grinder. It's called Restor A Finish. It's made for scratches on wood, but works wonders on stone too. You just soak a cloth or sponge with it and rub it into the scratches and they magically disappear. Here's how it works. Scratches on stone remove the finish and expose the raw stone. Since the raw stone is porous, Restor A Finish stains the scratch lines and brings them back to color, so to the natural eye, the scratches are gone. I've only used it on travertine so far, but there are a few different stain shades, so make sure you match the travertine. I usually use golden oak or walnut brown. I know most people are not installing travertine anymore, but this trick sure does come in handy for touch-ups and repair jobs. Subscribe for the best tile content.